Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to change your card PIN on the Capitec app. First, I want you to open it up and sign in. Then click on these three dots here at the top right, okay? From here, I want you to click on settings, right? Once we click on settings, we will be able to update our PIN. So I just want you to come here and click on update your PIN. So on this page, you'll see your current PIN, which you need to input. Once you input your current PIN, you are able to enter your new PIN. Okay, this one can be up to, 6 digits long. So go ahead and do that, and then just go ahead and click here on update. And then you will see this pop up that says that your remote PIN has been updated, and just keep it a secret. You can just go ahead and click on done, and from now you can go ahead and use that new card PIN. It's really that easy and simple. Okay, you can even access your cards from by clicking here. But otherwise, I want you to smash that like button as well as subscribe to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.